Serving commercial and domestic customers across the East Midlands, this is Refrigeration and Heat Pump Services of Nottingham. We're an independent company specialising in the installation, repair and maintenance of refrigeration and air conditioning. A company built on over 20 years of word of mouth and recommendation, Refrigeration and Heat Pump Services boasts a team of qualified and professional tradesmen who specialise in the installation, repair and servicing of air conditioning and refrigeration systems. When it comes to breakdowns, we're always on call, operating around the clock every day of the year. Accredited members of the HVCA and the Safe Contractor Scheme, everything we do is of the highest standard, and we can offer a 5-year parts and labour warranty on specified air conditioning systems. All of this, plus whatever we do, is always at a most competitive rate. For further information, please go to our website or call us to discuss your personal requirements.